Okay, now. Caught that.
That's okay?
You're right. You're right.
Yeah.
You sure? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Hi, I probably ambulance please.
Yeah, I know. I got it on camera.
Yeah, check.
Do you want to get out?
Wait for anyone, can you? Absolutely fucking brilliant. Brilliant. Fucking wait there! Fuck's sake! Prick! That was your fault! Fucking donkey cunt. Says keep clear of the road, mate. Says keep clear of the road. That was your fault. It was your fault. It says keep clear of the road. Fuck off. Grow some air, you bald cunt.
No, something stupid.
Damn it!
Are you okay? Are you alright? Dumb fucking bitch. Ow!
Hey,
Are
do
you
you not
okay?
see the fucking lights? Sorry, you fucking bitch.
At first, I thought this guy was just an idiot. But then he sped up, cut off the truck in the left lane, and brake checked. Maybe trying for an insurance payout.
I'm ashamed to admit it. Ah, your mistress, at least, would have a different story. Jesus, I had a mistress. I'm just gonna get this way. What the hell is that? You mean you don't have a mistress?
Oh my god, what the fuck? Is this a cop right here? Why are his lights going? What the fuck is happening?
There's a lady that had a birthday party here. He stole her credit card and has been using it for the last month. So that's why we're doing all this. Man, you go to Chuck E. Cheese with the kids, man, and Chuck E. Cheese, and they're stealing people's